Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rachel, this is vicrez.com, and today I'm going to be showcasing for you one of our hottest newly released products, vz101488, the Vicrez Demon Wide Body Fender Flare Kit. This Fender Flare Kit was designed for all Dodge Challengers between the years of 2008 and 2019. Made using Dodge Challenger's 3D scanned CAD data and precision injected molding, we are able to guarantee an OEM fit. This Challenger wide body fender flare kit offered by Vicrez will allow for your tires to have a little bit more room. With a little bit more room, you can install a larger tire, and a larger tire means more grip, more traction, and a faster takeoff speed. With this wide body Demon styled fender flare kit from Vicrez, you can also expect to find improved handling when driving your vehicle after installation. This quick and easy installation process is made for all of our DIY customers, but please be advised that Vicrez always recommends using professional installation on all of our auto body products. With every purchase, you can expect to have hardware already included. From your double-sided tape to your rubber gaskets, everything will be included with every purchase. With quality you can see, products that you love from a company you can trust. Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more deals, steals, how-tos, and product overviews every week.